Today, we will show you how to activate your Garmin inReach device. For this video, we will be activating an inReach Mini. These steps will also work for all other inReach devices. To set up the account, you will need a valid debit or credit card and a computer with internet access. Today, we will show you this process using a computer. Start by powering on the inReach. Next, on your computer, open an internet browser and navigate to explore.garmin.com. If you already have a Garmin account, select Sign In. If you don't, select Create a new account. Then, select New inReach account and select Personal Plan. Next, enter the IMEI number and authorization code from the inReach device. If you need help finding the IMEI number, select the image that matches your device. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions. Then, choose the country that matches your billing address and select Next. Next, enter your personal information. Make sure to enter the email address you used for your account. Following that, enter your emergency contact information. These are the individuals that will be contacted in case of an emergency. Now it is time to choose the plan that is right for you. Choose either Contract or Freedom Plan, then choose your plan option. If necessary, choose any additional GEOS coverage. This is not required, but may be helpful to those looking for additional benefits. Once you've finished, select Next. Now enter your billing information. Review your account information, then select Activate Account. Check the box to agree to the terms. Then select Complete Activation and follow the on-screen instructions. When instructed, take the inReach device outside with a clear view of the sky. It may take 20 minutes or more to complete the activation. Then, a test message will be sent automatically to confirm a successful activation. The final step before going out on your adventure is making sure to sync your inReach device. You can do this by using the Plans and Devices tab on your Explore account. This ensures you have the latest firmware available and that your changes to your message or contact changes are applied. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.